Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you so much.
No
thank
problem,
you.
No problem.
Thank you.
I'm a taxi driver.
Where did you find them?
So as I was driving along the airport road, you know that lonely bush area?
Yeah,
Yes, yes. So I saw them stranded. I decided to pick them up.
It is fine. Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you for calling me.
No problem.
I have your number now, so I'll always call you too.
Yes, sir.
I really appreciate
it.
it.
It's nothing. It's
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, just take care of yourself.
Oh, thank you.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.